Summer versus Winter. Hello everyone, and welcome to the 27th episode of our English learning series. The year is a long journey, and this journey is divided into 4 different parts called seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Each season has its own special feeling, its own weather, and its own beauty. Today, we are going to talk about the 2 seasons that are complete opposites: the bright, hot summer and the dark, cold winter. Both summer and winter are powerful seasons that change the world around us. They change what we wear, what we eat, and what we do. Let's explore the big differences between these 2 seasons. First, and most obviously, is the weather and the light. Summer is the season of the sun. The weather is hot, and the days are long and bright. The sun rises very early in the morning and sets very late in the evening. This gives us many hours of daylight to enjoy. The sky is often a clear, bright blue. In some places, the summer is very dry and hot. In other places, it can be hot and humid, which means there is a lot of water in the air. Winter is the season of cold and darkness. The weather is cold, and the days are short and dark. The sun rises late and sets early in the afternoon. This means there are fewer hours of daylight. The sky is often grey and covered with clouds. In many places, winter brings rain and strong winds. In other, colder places, it brings ice and beautiful white snow. This difference in weather leads to a big difference in our clothing. In the summer, our goal is to stay cool. We wear light clothes. People wear t-shirts, shorts, skirts, and light dresses. On our feet, we wear sandals or flip-flops. We often wear sunglasses to protect our eyes from the bright sun and a hat to shade our face. The colors of summer clothes are often bright and cheerful, like yellow, blue, and pink. In the winter, our goal is to stay warm. We wear heavy clothes and we wear them in layers. This means we wear several pieces of clothing on top of each other. People wear warm sweaters, thick jackets, and long coats. We wear long trousers, often made of a thicker material. To protect us from the cold, we wear accessories like a soft scarf around our neck, warm gloves on our hands, and a cozy hat on our head. On our feet, we wear socks and strong, warm boots. The seasons also change our activities, or the things we do for fun. Summer is a time for outdoor activities. Because the weather is warm and the days are long, people love to be outside. It is the perfect season for going to the beach, swimming in the cool ocean, or relaxing by a swimming pool. Families and friends have picnics in the park or barbecues in their gardens. Children can play outside until late in the evening. Summer is the season of holidays and adventure. Winter is a time for indoor activities. Because it is cold and dark outside, people spend more time inside their warm homes. It is the perfect season to be cozy. People enjoy quiet activities like reading a good book next to a fireplace, watching movies with their family, or playing board games. It is a time for cooking and enjoying warm meals together. Of course, in places with snow, winter has its own special outdoor activities like skiing, ice skating, or building a snowman. Of course, the food we eat also changes. Let's talk about food and drink. Summer food is often light and fresh. It is the season for big, colorful salads with fresh vegetables. It is also the season for sweet, juicy fruits like watermelon, peaches, and strawberries. The most famous summer treat, of course, is ice cream. On a hot day, nothing is better than a cold, sweet scoop of ice cream. People drink a lot of cold water, fresh juice, and lemonade to stay hydrated and cool. Winter food is the opposite. It is usually hot, heavy, and comforting. It is the season for warm bowls of soup and rich stews with meat and vegetables. People cook roasted chicken and potatoes in the oven, which makes the whole house feel warm. The most famous winter drink is hot chocolate, often with marshmallows on top. People also drink a lot of hot tea and coffee to warm themselves up from the inside. Even nature itself looks completely different. In the summer, nature is full of life and color. The trees are covered in thick green leaves. The grass is green, and the gardens are full of blooming flowers in every color you can imagine. We can hear the sound of birds singing and insects buzzing. The world feels alive and vibrant. In the winter, nature is resting. It is much quieter. Many trees lose their leaves, and their branches are bare against the sky. The grass turns brown. In many places, the ground is hard from the frost, or it is covered with a beautiful white blanket of snow. Many animals, like bears, go into a deep sleep called hibernation. The world looks simpler, calmer, and more peaceful. Finally, the seasons can affect our feelings and mood. Summer often feels like a happy, energetic, and free season. The bright sunshine can make people feel more cheerful and positive. It is a social time, a time for parties, festivals, and traveling. People feel more active and want to do more things. Winter often feels like a cozy, quiet, and reflective season. It is a time to slow down and rest. People spend more time at home with their close family. For some people, the short, dark days can make them feel a little sad or tired. But for others, winter is a favorite time. They love the feeling of being safe and warm inside while the cold wind blows outside. They love the calm and quiet of the winter world. In conclusion, summer and winter are two sides of the same coin. They are complete opposites, but they both have their own unique beauty and joy. Summer is a time of bright, loud, and active happiness. Winter is a time of quiet, calm, and cozy comfort. One is not better than the other. They are simply different parts of the beautiful cycle of the year. The best part is that we get to experience both. After a long, cold winter, the first warm day of summer feels amazing. And after a long, hot summer, the first cool, crisp day of winter feels so refreshing. So, what about you? Are you a summer person who loves the sun and the sea? Or are you a winter person who loves the snow and a cozy fireplace?